Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud. So please don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. In this video, I have two methods to show for you. So let's go for the first method. We'll go and open the browser, and then we go to Google, the search engine, and search for Adobe Creative Cloud uninstaller here. And then go to this one. This is a sponsored, so it's not an official uninstaller, but this one it is here. Uninstall the Creative Cloud desktop app. Click on this one here, and wait a few seconds, and just go down and read these instructions very well. And here we got uninstalling Windows, so we need to download the uninstaller for our version Windows. So for example, if you're Windows 11, 10, 8, or 7, 64 bits, click on here. If you're Windows 10, here, and if you're Windows 10, 8, or 9, 32 bits, you got this one. And then need to extract the zip files, and then double click on Creative Cloud Installer, and also read these instructions very well. And then after you're doing this, you're gonna uninstall the Creative Cloud. Also, we got this one here for the Mac as well. If you're using Mac version 10.12 or later, this one. Mac computers with Apple here, or Mac OS version 10.11 or earlier, you're gonna use this one. And the same steps as well. You're gonna extract the contents of the zip files and double click on Creative Cloud Installer and just follow the instructions. And this is the first method. The second method, it seems more easy for me. It has more logic. So we're gonna click on the Windows here and go to settings. And then once we're in settings, we're gonna click on this apps, uninstalled apps. Here in the search bar, search for Adobe. Here, Adobe Creative Cloud. So click on these 3 points and just choose uninstall. And these are two methods to uninstall Adobe Creative Cloud. So please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.